the hills of Zion. Rastafari calling the children. Stand firm, redemption time now. Babylon system try to chain I soul. Them build them kingdom pan blood and gold. But Jaja fire burn deep in me heart. Natty dread rise, we never fall apart. Them try to trick I with them wicked plan. But Rasta stand firm like a lion man. Through the storm on the suffering road, Jah carry I through the heavy load. Redemption calling from Zion gate. Jah light shine, it never too late. I and I chant till Babylon fall. Rasta freedom for one and all. Redemption fire burn bright tonight. Truth and justice are Rasta right. Hear the drum when the trumpet sound. Jah kingdom soon come down. Them want see the poor man live in a fear, but Jaja voice still ring loud and clear. From Kingston Yard to Addis land, Rasta chant spread across every land. Natty dread march with courage and pride. Selassie power always guide. Babylon walls start crumble down. Truth and righteousness wear the crown. Redemption calling from Zion gate. Jah light shine, it never too late. I and I chant till Babylon fall. Rasta freedom for one and all. Look how the youth them search for the way. Babylon trap try lead them astray, but roots and culture still alive. Through Jaja's strength we survive. Lion of Judah roaring at the sky. Rasta spirit never die. Ancient drum beat through the night, guiding the children toward the light. Fire burn Babylon corruption. Fire burn wicked deception. Rasta chant feel liberation. Jah bring forth redemption. I and I strong like a mountain stone. Rasta people never alone. From Africa soil to the island sea, Jah children soon go free. Final redemption rise like morning sun. Babylon race already run. Natty dread sing loud and tall. Jah salvation for one and all. Redemption chant across the land. Truth and justice take the stand. When the trumpet sound again, Jah kingdom rule forever, amen. Drums beat slow, horns cry high. Natty dread chant never die. Rastafari